অনলাইন স্কুল অসমলৈ স্বাগতম জনালো। আজি CTET 2024 যেটো জুলাইত হৈছে, আজি হৈছে 7 জুলাই মানে এটো পেপার 1 শিফট 2 আমি ডিসকাশন কৰিম। পেপার 1 ত আমি পার্ট 1 টু কোশ্চেন আনসার খিনি ডিসকাশন কৰিম, যেটো চাইল্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট এন্ড পেডাগজি হয়। ইয়াত আপোনালোকৰ মানে 30 কোশ্চেন আহিছিল। সো আমি এটা কোশ্চেনৰ এনসার খিনি কৈ যাও। So first question to us is growth in height and weight of children is example of quantitative change hobo, etu correct answer to 4 number hobo. Second to us is ki as per her gene period pre-operational stage is characterized by abilities to perform. So etu ki hobo, etu second hobo, imitation and reversibility, correct answer hobo. Third to asil apnalokor what is the primary purpose of asking critical thinking question. So etu correct answer hobo second to promote higher level thinking and problem solving skills. Next fourth প্রশ্ন to কি আছিল heredity totally determines an individual কি hobo sex hobo, বাকি কিনি নহয়। So the correct answer would be 4 1 4 number 2 correct hobo। আমি ফিফথ প্রশ্নলৈ আহো। ফিফথ প্রশ্নলৈ কি দিছে, fairer children those who experience severe human social deprivation since very young age usually have delayed or hindered development, and despite rehabilitation the improvement in certain topics of development is likely to be subordinate. The period where development is significantly influenced by environmental support is called etu ki hobo third to correct answer hobo sensitive period। Next প্রশ্ন লয় আহু 6 নাম্বার, এটো কি দিছে চাও, which of the following would support continuous and comprehensive evaluation। So correct answer hobo first এক নাম্বার hobo growth and learning progress portfolio। Next 7 নাম্বার প্রশ্নটো কি হইছে, according to Liv Vygotsky theory which of the following is recommended approach in order to optimize students learning experience। etu correct answer to hobo 1 promoting student with work that is just beyond their current level of understanding with an appropriate support and guidance। 8 question was judise learners feel engaged and actively involved in process of learning when etu correct answer to hobo 4 activities are related to their context। আমি 9 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন লই আহু, according to Liv Vygotsky children regulate their own behavior through the etu correct answer to hobo 1 using inner speech। Next 10 প্রশ্ন to কি দিছে, Jagriti had learned that her dog Rashti is a gold retriever. When she sees another dog that looks similar to Rashti but is different breed, she calls it a dog too। According to Jean Piaget, the theory of cognitive development whose concept does this demonstrate। So correct answer to hobo third number assimilation। Next 11th question of কি দিছে, which of the following correct in context of gifted children। So etu correct answer to hobo 1 gifted children certainly excel in all areas academic social and emotional। Next 12 number প্রশ্নটি কি আছে, assertion and reasoning question হয় এটু assertion কি দিছে, teachers should constantly examine their own attitudes and biases while working with children। আর reason to কি দিছে, the process of problem solving is hindered by functional fixedness। So etu correct answer to কি হবো 2 a is true, a to true হয় but r is false, reason to false হয়। So the correct answer will be 2। আমি next প্রশ্ন লই আহু 13 নাম্বার, while talking about her poor marks in mathematics Abhi says I just don't have the sense for numbers। Abhi is attributing his performance to etu কি হবো third number হবো কি হয় lack of ability। Next প্রশ্ন to আহো assertion reasoning into second প্রশ্ন assertion reasoning or 14 number প্রশ্ন teachers should provide emotional support to their children in the classroom to ensure effective learning. A reason to give the emotion and cognitive are related to each other in complex way. So correct answer to কি হবে A. Both A and R true and R is not the correct explanation of A. A আর R to correct হয় কিন্তু reason to এটু answer মানে যেটু A এটু answer to নহয় এটু meaning বুঝাইছে. So correct answer will be 14 এক নাম্বার. 15 question আমি চাও কি দিছে which of the following sequence of representation of concept is according with children's gradual development of cognitive abilities. So it correct answer to কি হবে 4 action based image based আর symbol based. Okay, so next question to 16 number question কি দিছে preconceived generalization about behavior of various gender are called it correct answer হবে 4 gender stereotypes. Next আমি 17 question লৈ আহো assertion of কি দিছে classroom pedagogy should be culturally responsive to meet the needs of students from diverse cultural background. A reason to কি দিছে equity in classrooms should be ensured only through standardized curriculum and assessment. So correct to answer to কি হবে 2 A is true এটু true হয় আর B to false হয়. So এটু হবে 2 A is true and R is false. Reason to false হয়. Next প্রশ্ন লৈ আহো 18 number প্রশ্ন 18 number প্রশ্নটো কি দিছে Howard Gardner concept of intelligence implicates that এক number হবো human being differ in their abilities in different domains. Next প্রশ্ন লৈ আহো 19 repetitive and ritualistic behavior is an identified characteristics of কি হবো 4 autism spectrum disorder. autism মানে এটু যেটো জুনে মানে কব নোৱাৰে মানে কথা কব নোৱাৰে এটো autism বুলি কয় autism spectrum disorder. So next 20 number প্রশ্ন লৈ আহো which of the following is correct about the process of learning according to socio-constructivist theory. Correct answer to our third number learning is a social process of meaning making. 21st প্রশ্ন কি দিছে which of the following statement best describe the role of a teacher in progressive education. Correct answer to কি হবে first number the teacher serves as a facilitator. Next 22 প্রশ্নটো কি দিছে which of the following is not characteristics of a well formulated critical thinking question. Correct answer to our first number it is based primarily on factual information. 23rd প্রশ্ন লৈ আহো assertion to কি দিছে teacher should focus on asking questions in classroom and encouraging children also to ask questions rather than giving instruction. Okay, reason to is a child-centered pedagogy means giving opportunities to children voices and ensuring their participation. So correct answer to Q over 4 A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next 23rd next question to 24 in an inclusive classroom correct answer to Q over 1 all children have access to and are included in the classroom activities. Inclusive মানে সব student লই মানে এটু বুঝায়. So correct answer to 24 or 1. 25 or কি দিছে children with learning disabilities typically second number 2 হবো have confusion with letters and alphabet that looks alike. মানে যেটো alphabet আর letter মানে একে দেখা যায় এটু confusion হয় maximum স্টুডেন্টে. 26 কি দিছে with some children start babbling and uttering two word sentence at 12 months. Others don't till they have 20 months old. Development milestones are suggesting and development of individual children are quite varied. So it is correct answer to 4. Both A and R are true. But দুটাই true হয় R is the correct explanation of A. So 26 or आंसर হবো 4 নাম্বার এটা কারেক্ট आंसर নেক্সট আমি আসবো 27 which pedagogical approach would be adopted by teacher which pedagogical approach would be adopted by teacher who firmly believes in constructivism to teach concept of floating and thinking to class 5 children so eto ki hobo third number hobo guided discovery 28 প্রশ্ন কি দিছে when presented with hence dilemma Orunoma reasons the law wasn't set up for these circumstances. Taking the drug in this situation isn't really right, but it's justified. Whose stage of moral development is Arunoma according to the theory of Lawrence Kohlberg. So it correct answer to have one morality of contracts of individual right and democratically. 29 প্রশ্ন to কি দিছে which of the following statement about development is correct correct answer to one development occurs in spiral manner not linear next last প্রশ্ন to eto child development pedagogy কি আছে which of the following is not an effective memory technique for meaningful learning eto correct answer to eto কোনে দিছে which of the following is not an effective memory এটু কি হবো 4 নাম্বার রোটে রিহার্সাল এটু কারেক্ট आंसर হবে ধন্যবাদ অনলাইন স্কুল অসম সাবস্ক্রাইব করো লাইক করো শেয়ার করো